This wonderful home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 living areas, and a first floor laundry and a newer room. Notice the beautiful bamboo wood floors in the dining, family, living room, and hallway. An updated kitchen with 2019 stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a new backsplash. This home features a first floor laundry and a lavatory combo. The family room opens to a large deck which was built in 2018, overlooking a large backyard in a quiet setting with an invisible fence which is included. The bathrooms were updated in 2019. All bedrooms are freshly carpeted and feature newer light fixtures. This home is near Lake Geneva and the heart of Dewitt, where you can enjoy the beautiful tree-lined streets. This updated ranch with Lake Geneva privileges, which is a no-wake lake,